Alright, we're in the lobby of the Arlington Hotel once the camera will get to focus. Look at this beautiful hallway. Wow, this is amazing. Anyways, look at the staircase. Look at this grand staircase right here. Anyways, we got some old elevators here. These are Otis. Wow. Look at that floor indicator. Wow, this is beautiful. Wonder which one will it be. Oh, is this one right here? You going up?
Yes, sir.
Oh, the chef light's on. All right, we have a good day.
You too.
This thing is pretty busy, so you going up? This is going up.
Yeah, I'm sorry, my bad.
It's all right. Anyways, this thing is really busy, so I might as well just take one ride. See, there's your original floor indicator. I had to censor out a certain language. Sorry about that, guys. Let's get a quick cavity before this thing gets packed up. Alright, here we are at 10. Alright, let's go down to, what floor are we going?
Lobby.
Somebody called it.
Taking the scenic route. Come on in.
Thank you.
We got room just for you.
Awesome. Have a good day. Here's your phone. You going in?
Thank you.
Thank you, young man.
You're welcome.
Where's your bag?
Alright, let's watch close.
Got the baby over the mommy.
Oh, here's another one of those floor indicators. Watch this. I'm not sure if it works. Actually, it does not work anymore, actually. See, this is what the elevator looks like in the lobby. There's your mailbox right here. Wow, this is such a beauty. Look at this beautiful lobby. Wow, this thing is gorgeous. This is a very gorgeous lobby. And those are the elevators. That'll be it.